So our fire units responded to a single-family dwelling, a structure fire, reported about 9 a.m. this morning. When they arrived, they reported an attic fire, a working attic fire. The crews were, well, we had three engines and a truck company on the initial response, and they went right to work. We requested an additional engine from the county of Merced, and also provided one additional engine on a second alarm assignment. They were able to bring the fire under control. I don't have a time on control of the fire at this moment. So the construction was a challenge. This is an older home which had a lath and plaster ceiling. That makes it more challenging to gain access to those confined spaces where the fire might be working. In this case, the attic. So that increased the challenge of this firefight, along with the winds. We had some pretty strong, significant winds coming out of the southeast at that moment, and that was fueling the attic fire. No injuries to occupants. We did have one firefighter injury today. I don't have any preliminary damage estimates at this point.